So I decided to remove all my Bermuda from this area because what happened was, because of this tree, the Bermuda wasn't thriving, and I have a lot of shade in this area. So what I'm going to do is install Zeon Zoysia, which is a very, very tolerant grass for shaded areas. So once I get this installed, I'll show you guys the what it looks like. I'm excited to see what it looks like, because again, I get too much shade here, and yeah, the Bermuda wasn't doing well. So yeah, over here it is doing much better, even though I have to trim some of these branches. I did it during the winter time, but when summer comes and the leaves grow, they tend to fall lower, so I can just clip them. See, I got some shade there, but everything else is looking good except for this little piece right there. Who knows? I'll probably throw some zoysia there. Who knows? All right, keep you guys updated. So here it is, guys. Zeon Zoysia. Yeah, baby. Nice, beautiful, tight zoysia on this side. I think it came out pretty good. What you guys think? Yeah, this looks real good. Not bad, not bad. Nice and tight. So now I'll just water it, and yeah. So this was about a pallet and a half, and so now I have zoysia on this side, and I have Bermuda on that side. Not bad, not bad. I'm very, very happy with it. Yeah. So put in a comment, guys. Let me know what you guys think. All right.